महाराज केवल नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के अवय चरण कमलों में अनंत विधि साधन दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं लक्ष्मी गणपति गोस्वामी महाराज के चरण कमलों में मेरा दंडवत प्रणाम। उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव वैष्णववृंद मातृवृंद गुरुवृंद सज्जनवृंद हरिकथा विवाह श्रोतृवृंद सभियों के मेरा सादर अभिनंदन। आज पति पवित्र बाबर विलापन में उपस्थित हुए हैं।
So today we have gathered on very auspicious day, Akhand Guru Tattva Baldev Prabhu's appearance day we are celebrating. It is a subject of fortune, even if we know how to speak or not, but Gurudev and Vaishnavas always be merciful on us, and from the time of the Gurudev, I consider myself so fortunate. Though I am so unfortunate, but still I consider myself so fortunate that I get the chance to speak. Gurudev used to come and he used to celebrate the Rup Goswami Pad's disappearance festival. And after that, Gurudev, in the morning, Gurudev used to sit here and about Baldev Prabhu, all the Vaishnavas used to speak. And then in the evening, Gurudev used to go from here, and in the Mathura, he used to complete the Jhulan festival and Jhulan Katha and Baldev Prabhu's Katha. He used to speak. What I wanted to say is that in the Shastras it is said, Balahinen na labhya. For a person who doesn't have any power, he cannot attain any object. The one who has the power, he can attain everything. If a king has the power, he can nicely maintain his kingdom, rule his kingdom. What is the power of the king? The army. And also the financial power. These all are the power of the king, the wealth and the army. And if we talk about the spiritual life, what we need is the Chidbal, the spiritual power. If we doesn't get this spiritual power, we cannot progress. From where we get this Chidbal? From Baldev Prabhu. Without the mercy of the Baldev Prabhu, Chidbal cannot appear in our heart. Some Vaishnavas says that in comparison to the Krishna, the Baldev Prabhu is little fat. At the time of naming ceremony of Krishna and Balaram, the Gargacharya, he gave 3 names to Baldev Prabhu. He told 3 names of Baldev Prabhu: Sankarshan, just like you have also heard. First he came in the womb of Devaki. But according to the Loka Katha, the people say that the womb got destroyed, but he stayed for the 6 months in the womb of Devaki. Then Yogamaya attracted and transferred him to the Rohini's womb. So he got attracted. That is why the name is Sankarshan. So why the name Sankarshan? Akarshan, from the Akarshan. Though it is said that Devaki and Rohini, they both get pregnant at the same time. Rohini, she used to live in the Gokul.
देवकी जो है यहाँ पर
Devaki was in
मथुरा में कलश हटाया था।
Mathura
तो योग में नहीं किया कि
in the
इनकी गर्भ
prison.
में 6 महीने यहाँ पर रहा, बल्कि फिर उनके गर्भ में जाकर के
So Yogamaya transferred after 6 months.
हाँ?
इस समय दोनों एक साथ गर्भवती हुई, उस समय रोहिणी की मथुरा में।
मथुरा में वो तो यहाँ पर ले गए।
So Rohini was in Mathura when she got pregnant, and then she was sent to Gokul.
ये संकर्षण इसलिए हुआ,
Sankarshan, why Sankarshan? Because Yogamaya attracted the womb of Devaki and transferred into the womb of Rohini.
इसलिए हो गया, इसलिए क्या, क्योंकि हरिवंश पुराण में
In the Harivansh Puran it is said
देवकी और रोहिणी
that Devaki and the Rohini,
एक ही साथ में जो है
they both get pregnant at the same time.
ये समस्त वर्णन किया गया है। गर्ग संहिता में भी इसके भी प्रमाण लेकर के दिखा मेरे प्रदेश का
In the Garga Samhita also there is a proof given. Our Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj with many shlokas he used to establish
तो
it.
यहाँ पर हो गया, यहाँ पर देवकी के
पीछे
गर्भ
ना
में
बज्जी।
कितने महीने रहे? 6 महीने।
पीछे ना बज्जी है।
और उधर जाकर के कितने महीने रहे? 8 महीने। तो 8 6 कितने हो गए? 14 महीने।
So he stayed in the womb of Devaki for 6 months, in the womb of Rohini for the 8 months, so total 14 months he was in the womb.
इसलिए बलदेव प्रभु की जय, जैसे आप कहते हैं जो बालक जो मातृ गर्भ में अधिक दिन रहता है वो अधिक पुष्ट होता
The
है।
one who stays for the long time in the womb is more healthy.
और जिसमें भी कहते हैं ये भी कह रहे हैं, हाँ, जिसके कथा प्रसंग में आता है ये तो कष्ट दिया नहीं, ये कह रहे हैं।
He said that for 14 months he was staying in the womb, so it must be painful. But no, he did not, Balram Prabhu did not give any pain to both mothers.
तो यहाँ पर इसे नामकरण के समय कहा गया क्या? संकर्षण राम जब
So that is why his name was Sankarshan.
देवता होने के नाते
And he is the presiding deity of the power. That is why his name is Bala.
आनंद
Krishna is Sachidananda.
आनंद के अधिष्ठात्री
And
दिव्य संघ से
Ananda, the presiding deity of Anand is Srimati Radhika.
चित शक्ति जो है, चित
And
शक्ति के
Chit
अधिष्ठात्री
Shakti
देवता
is
कौन हो गया?
presiding deity is Krishna.
कृष्ण। और सत्य जो है,
And the
सत्य
Satta,
के अधिष्ठात्री देवता बलदेव।
presiding deity of the Sat is the Baldeva
क्योंकि
Prabhu.
समस्त जो कुछ भी जो है सत्ता जो है ये बलदेव प्रभु
All
के प्रति
existence is dependent upon Baldev Prabhu. Before appearance of the Krishna,
वो देवकी के गर्भ में
so he comes
कौन है?
in the womb of Devaki.
बलदेव प्रभु है। क्यों बलदेव कृष्ण जो में उसी प्रकार सब लीला आदि संपादन करते हैं।
So Yogamaya,
क्योंकि बलदेव प्रभु जो तत्व है
she
गुरु तत्व।
arranges the
गुरु
Leela
के कार्य
in accordingly.
उसी प्रकार होता है।
Guru's
आसन आदि
job
करने
is also
भगवान की
same,
सेवा के लिए
that for the
समस्त
service of the
प्रकार
Bhagavan,
उपकरण आदि व्यवस्था करना।
arranging all type of
इसलिए
instruments.
बलदेव प्रभु जो
So
है,
Baldev Prabhu
दशविध रूप में कृष्ण के सेवा आदि करते रहते हैं।
in the 10 forms,
आसन वसन भूषण पादुका यहाँ तक कृष्ण
Krishna,
के
asana, vasana, paduka, so 10 ways.
यहाँ तक भी कृष्ण के जो क्या बोलते हैं वसन जो है
Even the clothes of Krishna is Baldeva Prabhu.
महाभारत की कथा प्रसंग में भी
In the
आता है।
Mahabharat's Katha, it is said
भीष्म
when
पितामह
Bhishma
अर्जुन
Pitamaha
के साथ युद्ध करते करते
was fighting with Arjun and his
अर्जुन परास्त होते जा रहे
when Arjun was getting defeated from Bhishma Pitamaha, and Krishna said that I will not carry any weapon. And Bhishma also said that if I am the son of Shantanu, I will make Krishna carry a weapon. And the words of the devotees are the prominent. So when the war was going on, at that time Bhishma Pitamaha was fighting with Arjun. Arjun was getting defeated. So then Bhishma Pitamaha, he used to attack with such a kind of arrows that even Arjun cannot bear them. Sometimes Bhishma Pitama, he used to lift his chariot in such a way that those arrows pierce the heart of chest of Krishna and the blood starts coming. So Bhishma Pitama is looking and is comparing it with that it is being that this red color is of the gopis kumkum. So when Bhagavan realized that Arjuna is getting defeated, then what he did, he came down from the chariot and carrying the wheel of the chariot and started attacking on the Bhishma. And then the Bhishma kept his bow and the arrow. Then Arjun also came down and running after the Krishna to stop him. Chakravarti Pad also in the Sandarbha says that when Krishna was having the wheel and running towards Bhishma, Krishna's feet was having such a great power and Krishna is feeling so angry because with the anger he was holding the wheel in his finger. With the anger was of such high intensity that he may it's like he will shake the whole earth. When Krishna's Pitambar fell down, where it fell down? In the lotus feet of Krishna, and it touched the earth, Prithvi Devi, and the Baldeva Prabhu, he was holding the Prithvi Devi, and that is why the Prithvi Devi was able to be stable at that time. So Baldev Prabhu's power. So with that power of the Baldev Prabhu, only the Prithvi was able to bear that anger of Krishna. Otherwise, Krishna would have shaked all the earth. So in this way, the Baldev Prabhu keeps on serving Krishna. When the Krishna took birth in the prison of the Kans, and when Vasudeva was carrying the Krishna and was going to the Yamuna, when he came out of the prison and he saw that there is a lot of rain, then he was thinking that how I will be able to cross the Yamuna. So at that time Baldev Prabhu, he took one form, Shesh, and in the form of a snake he made an umbrella. So in the form of Chhatra, umbrella also he served. You can see in the picture also that he is serving in the form of umbrella. So that is why the name is Bal. So all type of Bal, power, his name is Baladeva. If the devotee gets the Chid Val, then the devotee can progress. Nai Atma Pravachin Labdhi. So till the time the mercy of Baldev Prabhu is not there, our heart can never be purified. Only Baldev Prabhu can purify our heart. So that is why this name is Baladeva. And third name is, his name is Bal, and the third is Deva. Dev is associated with Bal. Dev means Devayanti Kridayati. The one who does the playful pastimes in everyone's heart. So that Baldeva Prabhu, he stays in our heart in the form of Chaitya Guru. Chaitya Guru. So in the form of Chaitya Guru, stays in the heart of all the jivas. Guru Tattva is very, very deep. Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru, Patma Pardarshaka Guru, Chaitya Guru. though there is only one undivided Guru Tattva. What is that Guru Tattva?
कृष्णम बंदे जगत गुरु।
Krishna Bande Jagat Guru. Krishna,
गुरु जो है तत्व
so
विचार
actual Guru according to the Tattva is
हम प्रवेश करें वही कृष्ण ही गुरु
Krishna is the Guru. Krishna comes in the form of
और
Guru.
वही कृष्ण देखा जे मुझे कैसे सेवा लोग कैसे करें।
Then Krishna thought that how the jivas are going to serve me. So Krishna then appears in the form of Baldeva Prabhu.
रूप में कोई भेद नहीं है।
So there is no difference between the form of Krishna and Baldeva.
कृष्ण वर्ण होते हैं, कृष्ण वर्ण
So
होते
Krishna is Krishna Varna, black complexion,
हैं। और बलदेव
and Baldev is Shweta Varna, white complexion.
दिखाते हैं।
So this is the only difference.
कृष्ण और बलराम
And Krishna and Balaram both are one.
के समय
At the time of naming ceremony, Gargacharya, he gave these three names. That you are this son, Rohini Nandan.
इसके तीन नाम इसमें दिखाए। अब
His three names were shown. Now we enter into the pastimes of the Baldeva Prabhu.
ऐसी लीला आदि करते रहते हैं। कृष्ण की लीलाओं की सबके सहायक समत्व जैसे आदि
In all type of pastimes of Krishna, he helps in the Dasya Roop, Sakhya Roop, Vatsalya Roop,
यह तक भी
and even in the Madhura Roop also,
वो कृष्ण की
he
सेवा
serves Krishna.
आस्वादन करते हैं, सेवा आदि करते रहते हैं।
He keeps on doing the service to
किंतु वास्तव
Krishna.
में बलदेव प्रभु जी है प्रदीप रूप में कैसे दास्य और
But in the most of the time, he serves in the Dasya and the Sakhya form.
क्योंकि बलदेव प्रभु की एक विशेष है कृष्ण
Because there is a specialty of the Baldev Prabhu. Wherever Krishna goes, Baldev Prabhu is just like a bodyguard. Mother Yashoda said that, look Balaram, wherever you go,
हमारे कृष्ण की जब तुम रक्षा कर
you protect our Krishna, my Krishna. In the Srimad Bhagavatam's commentary it is said that when Krishna
जब जाते हैं गोचारण के लिए जाते हैं
goes for the
कृष्ण के चरण
Gocharan
देख करके देवता लोग
and looking at the lotus foot impressions of Krishna, the Brahma and the other demigods, they keep on worshipping those footprints.
शब्द के अर्थ होता है ब्रह्मा जी।
Here it is said Vriddhapathik means, Vriddha means the Brahmaji. Brahmaji worships those footprints. In the Brihad Bhagavatamritam it is explained.
वो क्या करते हैं किंतु सखा लोग देखते हैं ये चार मथा वाले
The Sakhas, they saw that who is this four-headed person having such a big beard and gets fearful. And when they come back and they say to Yashoda,
तो ये माँ
out of fear.
वास्तव में
So Mother Yashoda is such a having the great concentrated Vatsalya.
पीछे पीछे चलते जैसे कोई चलते ना
She gets fearful that who is following my son.
जैसे किसी के मृत्यु के समय आता ना वो भूत पिशाच और अपदेवता के
Just like when someone's death comes
आपको भी
and sometimes that becomes ghost and it keep on roaming at that place, and sometimes you are able to realize that ghost also around you. You cannot see him, that ghost. So that looks like a shadow. क्या हो गया?
कभी अरे मठ में नहीं होता है हम मठ में जब भगवान कथा होती है फिर कहाँ से आएगा?
But no ghost can come in the mutt where the Bhagwan Katha is happening.
वास्तव में नहीं होता है देखना गृहस्थ लोग के पूछना
For the Grihast, you can ask that this happens with them. They see the ghost in the form of the shadows.
कोई आया हमारे बालक के ना कोई अनिष्ट करे
So Yashoda Maya was thinking that someone is there who wants to
आप सीधा तुम दोनों जो है
harm my child.
और माँ यशोदा कृष्ण के जो है
Mother Yashoda,
तिलक आदि कर देते थे
she used to do the tilak of Krishna's body parts and used to chant the Tilka mantra. Made up those mantras, those names were of Krishna only.
इसलिए मैंने कहने की तात्पर्य है बलदेव प्रभु जो है सदा सर्वदा
So Baldev Prabhu is always serving. So Mother Yashoda used to say to
महाराज ने कहा
Baldev to protect Krishna. Just like the Maharaj said,
13 दिन
for the 13 days, Krishna, Baldev Prabhu doesn't go with Krishna. That is only for the Leela Shakti to get the pastimes done.
जैसे वो क्या बोले कौन सा लीला कालिया दमन की लीला
In the Kaliya Damana Leela,
चले जाते
if the Baldev Prabhu would go, then who will protect all the Brajvasis in the separation of Krishna?
और बलदेव प्रभु की
So this is all because of the Leela Shakti.
जो बलदेव प्रभु कृष्ण ने अनेक असुरों को पछाड़ दिया, मार दिया।
Baldev Prabhu, Krishna defeated many demons. Baldev Prabhu, he killed 3 demons. And those killing of those 3 demons is very knowledgeable for us. Especially he killed Gardhavasur or Dhenukasur.
ये धेनुकासुर की प्रतीक क्या है?
Dhenukasur, what is the representation? He is the representation of our foolishness and ignorance.
हाँ, तालबन में जब जाता हूँ, गुरुदेव मुझे
When I go to the Talban, Gurudev used to say me,
जब मैं जाता मुझे ब्रह्मचारी जब मैं था
when I was brahmachari, Gurudev used to make me stand and you speak on the Talban, Gardhavasur.
मुझे याद है, हर साल एक साल नहीं, आज तक भी
Every year I used to speak.
वही गड्ढासुर की कथा भी आ जाए भैया।
So I used to speak in the Talban, the Gardhavasur, the donkey katha. So it is very, very knowledgeable.
गड्ढासुर की कथा आप लोग ने श्रवण किया है। एक समय कृष्ण बलराम जो है
Once Krishna Balaram, along with friends doing the cow herding, they went
उस दिन वे लोग जो है अपने कलेवा
and with the desire of the Yoga Maya, they forgot to bring their food along with.
कृष्ण
And all the sakhas, they said that we are getting so hungry. We didn't have anything to eat. We forgot to bring our tiffin. So then Krishna Balaram said that just near to the Mathura there is a beautiful garden of Kans. Let us go to that garden and we will eat. And there are beautiful ripened tal fruits. When the tal gets ripened, the fragrance of that tal goes to a very long distance, up to 1 mile. So I used to, in the Bengal there is a lot of tal. And the tal is also of big size. And when it gets ripened, on the back side it is so black and it is so fragrant. In this month, the tal gets ripened. And they fall on the ground when they get ripened. In my house, and we were having a pond, and near the pond there were like 10 trees of the tal, and you cannot sleep in the night. Right now, in this time, they keep on falling like thap, thap, because the tal tree, they are very having a big height, very tall. They are very tall, and when that fruit falls, it is a very big sound. And for the 1 month even you cannot sleep in the night, because in the night they keep on falling, and on one tal tree there are like 80 or 100 tal fruits.
आप लोग नहीं देखो तो आपका विश्वास नहीं होगा, वो भी इतने बड़ा बड़ा होता है।
So those tal are very big and so fragrant.
तो कहने लगे चलो हम लोग आज ताल भोजन
So
करेंगे।
let us go to the tal one and we will eat the tal.
करने वाले कौन था?
Who was the protector of that garden? This Gardhavasur or Dhenukasur.
ये धेनुकासुर
So this Dhenukasur used to protect, along with his family, he used to stay in the garden.
और दोपहर के समय को हो चुका है।
And it was already noon,
और ये धेनुकासुर जो थोड़ा अपने परिवार
and
के
Dhenukasur, he was taking rest with his family. And now these sakhas, along with Krishna and Baldeva Prabhu, they started shaking the trees of tal.
और एक-एक करके ताल का धप
And
धप पड़ने
one after another, the tal started falling. Thap, thap. Dhenukasur said, "Who are you? Who is there?"
बोले तेरा
Krishna said, "Your father is there."
मेरे बाप है तेरा, बलदेव प्रभु तेरा मैं जौन हूँ।
Baldev Prabhu said, "I am your death."
देखो बोले कौन है?
Who is there?
मेरा आँख खोल के तो देख।
And Krishna said, "Open your eyes and look at us."
आँख खोल के देख, अरे ये तो मेहनत कार्य को गुड़ के कंबल पड़ के।
But a lazy person doesn't want to open his eyes.
देखो ये घर में आग लग गई, ऊपर
It's like if there is a fire on the roof in one house and some three lazy people, they were sleeping, and the fire is on the roof, and it is like made up of grass, and those three lazy people who were sleeping, one said that it is so fire. Look, he said, open your eyes and look at what is happening. He said, how can I do such a hard work of opening eyes? Then he said, just take the quilt and sleep. So they were so lazy and they cannot even open the eyes. And then the fire came down, and these three, they got died, burned. So in the same way, Baldev Prabhu said that open your eyes and look at us, who are we? Gardabasur came with red eyes. What is the job of the Gardhava? Donkey's activity is to kick from his back foot, and he gets healthy in the summer and he gets thin in the rainy season, Gurudev used to say. Why? Because in the rainy season there is so much grass, and he thinks that I have gone everywhere but I have not eaten grass because grass is in plenty. So in the summer there is no grass, and he keep on going, walking a long distance, and then thinks that I have eaten so much. So this is foolishness. What is the meaning? That in this materialistic world, the materialistic people, if they are not doing any karma, if we ask them to do Harinam, they will not do the Harinam. If you ask them to do any karma, they keep on doing the karma. This is the difference between the karmi and the bhakta. The people say that you keep on eating and you keep on sitting and eating only. But we do such a hard work. Then we ask those grihasthas that you come in our mat and just sit and keep on eating. If you think that it is easy job to stay in the mat. So these kind of foolish people, they talk like this. So in the animals, the cow is considered as foolish, but even from the cow, this donkey is even the most foolish. Mother Yashoda also sometimes called Krishna. Huh? That you are dog, and Krishna, he agreed, and moving his head in the agreement. Once Mother Yashoda was wear very nice clothes to the Krishna, and Krishna made it dirty, and the Mother Yashoda slapped him and then started giving the milk to the Krishna. Then Mother Yashoda said, "Oh Putanari, in the previous birth you must be pig, because the pig always goes to the dirty land. So I gave you nice clothes and you went to the dirty land. So you must be in previous birth you were a pig." Krishna said, yes. How did he come to know about my previous birth that I was Varaha?
तो उसी प्रकार जो है जो लोग इस श्लोक में आ रहे हैं, ये गधा कैसे करते हैं? देखो आप देखना, गधा को पानी दे दो.
If you give water to the donkey, nice water, he will not drink. And if you mix some soil in that water, then he will surely drink. First I never used to believe in the Keshav Gaudiya Math. Then I saw there were many donkeys who were carrying so much weight, and they used to come in the mud at the time of construction. And that person, he got the water and he added the soil into it. And he said that this donkey is not going to drink the nice water, clean water. He is Gadha, he is donkey. Because this word Gadha is used as abuse, that you are Gadha, you are donkey, you are foolish.
जो कथा सुनते गदवासुर क्या करने लगे
So Gardhavasur, what he did,
आक्रमण करने लगे
he started attacking on Krishna Balaram.
कृष्ण तो मान सकते कृष्ण बोले आज बोलो भैया बलदेव तुम्हारे बारी
Krishna said, it is your time,
तो कृष्ण थोड़ा
Bhaiya
आगे
Baldev.
और
So
बलदेव प्रभु के जब वो आक्रमण
when
करने
he was
लगे
about to attack the Baldev Prabhu,
क्या की उसके पीछे के टांग को पकड़
so
लिया
Baldev Prabhu holds the back feet, the legs of that donkey and was spinning like a wheel and threw it at a long distance. Then he again came back and started attacking. Again and again he was attacking, saying Hanko, Hanko, Hanko and attacking.
बलदेव आगे पैर पीछे के पैर के द्वारा मारना शुरू बलदेव प्रभु ने किया
Baldev Prabhu holds the back legs and spinning with like a circle, like a wheel, and threw it on the tall tree. And tall tree fell down, and all the other tall trees also fell down.
गदवासुर
And Gardhavasur died.
खून पेशाब आदि करते और
He
पेशाब करते
was
शरीर को छोड़ दिया
leaving all his urine and the latrine, he left his body, and whole garden was filled with the dirt of blood and the toilet and the urine.
विभत्स
विभत्स के वर्णन या भक्ति रसामृत सिंधु में
In the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, this Leela comes under Vibhatsa.
कहा गया है ये विभत्स है भाग में बना है तो ये समस्त वर्णन हुआ इसी संदर्भ में भी के प्राप्त जा रहे हैं जो मनुष्य ऐसे मनुष्य शरीर प्राप्त करके
So the human who has got this such great human body but is not doing bhajan, he is foolish, he is donkey.
बलदेव प्रभु जी गदवासुर के मारने की तात्पर्य क्या है
What is the meaning of killing this Gardhavasur? That the anarthas in our heart, four types of Savarup, Brahm, Vidya, Durbalya, Asat, Trishna and Aparadh, and Sukrityurtha, Dushkrityurtha, Bhaktiurtha and Aparadhurtha. So all these anarthas, Bhaktivinoda Thakur also said 16 types of anarthas, 4 in each 4, so 16. So till the time these anarthas are not removed, till that time the sadhak cannot progress in the bhakti marga. So the Guru Pad Padma, what is the job of the Baldeva Prabhu? To destroy our anarthas. Till the time we do not get this mercy of the Baldev Prabhu, the spiritual power, Chidbal, we cannot do any Bhagavad Bhajan. So this was the teachings in this Leela. Baldev Prabhu also killed one more demon, Pralambasur. He has also killed Dvivid Vanar. Dvivid Vanar's history is also very nice. That in the Ram pastimes he was Dvivid Vanar. He was Ram devotee. He used to serve Lord Ramchandra a lot. It was unparalleled. His service was unparalleled, uncomparable. But he used to have the hate, jealousy towards Lakshman. Many times Bhagavan Ramchandra said that Lakshman is my brother and Lakshman is also the Bhagavad Tattva and Guru Tattva. So you should never feel any kind of dvesh towards Lakshman, but he didn't agree. But again and again, he was having the dvesh with Lakshman. So when Ramchandra, he completed his pastimes, he took everyone with him, but he did not take the Dvivid Vanar. So he stayed till Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga. Even by serving the Bhagwan, what kind of intelligence he was having. We see that someone is doing so much service to the Guru and Bhagwan, but how did he fall? because of the aparad offenses.
कहीं अपराध कर देते हैं। तो इसलिए उनकी अपराध किसके चरण में हुआ?
So he has done the offense to the Guru Tattva, Lakshman.
इसलिए वही जो लक्ष्मण राम की लीला
that
कृष्ण की लीला में
Lakshman
बलदेव प्रभु के रूप में आए।
Came in the form of Baldev Prabhu. Baldev Prabhu is thinking that I can only purify his heart because he has done the offense to me. So in the Dwarika Leela, when Baldev Prabhu with the Mahishis, with his wives, when he was doing the loving pastimes with his wives, so this bad person, Dvivid Vanar, because when we keep on doing the offenses, we go in the bad association. So he went in the bad association. He started associating with the bad people and he started teasing those Mahishis. And then Baldev Prabhu with the plow, he pulled him and killed him with the musul. That is why he carries the hal and musul. Also doing the fielding and also to make it fertile.
तत्व सिद्धांत के साथ ही साथ रस भी विचार भी तब सब कुछ चलता है।
So this is all the Tattva Siddhanta and the Ras Vichar both Dvivida.
दो प्रकार जो है विध माने ज्ञान विचार एक वजह एक के मानते हैं दूसरे के नहीं मानते।
That he doesn't believe in one and believes in others. He believes in Krishna, Rama, but he doesn't believe in Lakshman. So that is why Dvivida. This is called Ardha Kukuti Nyaya. The female hen, when she eats from the one side and she gives egg from the one side, if one says that I will only keep the egg side of the hen, so this is useless. So this is called Ardha Kukuti Nyaya. So in the same way, believing in one, Lakshman, Ram, not Lakshman, this is useless. So this is offense. This is an offense. There are many stories I cannot stop, but the aparadhi. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying, this was my reason for leaving the house, that in the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu, my brother has done the offense. My brother has done the offense to Nityananda Prabhu. That is why I left my house. Menketan Ramdas. Menketan Ramdas was so much attached to Nityananda Prabhu. But at that time, the Pujari, the Gunanav Mishra, he did not respect him. Menketan Ramdas, he broken the flute. He said he is Dvivid Vanar. He is Romharshan. Krishnadas Kaviraj's brother. He did not even was engaged that activity of the Pujari. Krishnadas Kaviraj said that my brother believes in the Mahaprabhu, but he doesn't believe in the Nityananda Prabhu. So this is the offense of my brother. The one who have the belief in the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in the same way he should have the belief in the Nityananda Prabhu. Same is the case with Krishna and Balaram, even more in the Balaram. There are many pastimes of Baldev Prabhu.
Okay, listeners, I hope you enjoyed a lot. So we will see you later.